Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have all new OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And if accidentally you have removed any notification from your notification bar, you can also read that again. But firstly, you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, scroll down, select notification and quick settings, scroll down and then select more settings. There at the bottom you will see notification history. Tap on this and then enable it from here. From now it will save all the notifications from all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And you can also read any notification that you have removed from your notification bar from here. There's a hidden feature to quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen. To enable that, open your camera app, click on these three lines, select settings, scroll down and then select quick launch. Click on settings, wait for a few seconds and then select camera. Enable it from here, come back and then enable it again. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will double press your volume down button, then it will quickly launch your camera application. You can either press volume up button or volume down button. It will open your camera app from your locked screen. This phone comes with this new control panel where you have to swipe down from the right side to open your control panel, and you have to swipe down from the left side to open your notification bar. You can also switch like this. But if you want to set the old one where you get your notifications and your control panel together, then open your control panel, click on these three dots and then select customize quick settings. From here select classic. Now it will set the old one where you will get your notifications and your control panel together. This phone comes with a lot of AI features. To explore all of these, open your settings, select OnePlus AI. You can use this AI writer to write your captions, or if you write articles a lot, then you can use this. This will give you some ideas while writing anything. You can use this AI translate to translate from one language to another. Simply select the voice speed or the voice, download the package, and then it will give you the real-time translation. You can also use this AI voice scribe. With the help of that, you can record any meeting or any voice recording and then can generate summary or make the scribe of that specific recording. You can enable auto call recording, and after that it will record all your calls without any announcement or without any kind of alert. Open your dialer, click on these three dots, select settings and then select call recording. Enable record all calls. From now it will record all your calls without any announcement or without any kind of alert. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of this split screen feature. When you are on your home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open these applications, but there is a gesture for this. To enable that, tap and hold on your home screen, select home screen settings, select icon pull down gesture and then enable it from here. Now whenever you are on your home screen, you can swipe up from either side of the screen like this. Then it will bring all the applications around your thumb. Select the app that you want to open, then it will open the app for you. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set this as your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience, again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can use any application as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop, and then you can easily multitask. Open the app, put it in recent apps and then click on these three dots. Select floating window. Now you can resize the app from the corner like this. You can drag and drop it anywhere. You can keep on using your smartphone. You can also minimize this like this, and whenever you need the app again, then simply tap on the app's icon. So you can use this floating window feature to multitask in your smartphone. You can change the theme in the smartphone and make it look really cool. Open your settings, select home screen, lock screen and style, and then select all Flux themes. This phone comes with a lot of downloaded themes, so you don't have to download any themes. Simply select your favorite one. You can further customize them. You can change the clock style. You can resize it. You can add any widget, change the color of the clock, etc. You can also set quick access application. Select your favorite or most usable ones, and after this, click on apply. Now it will change the theme in your smartphone and make it look really cool. From the same home screen, lock screen and settings, you can also change the font, icons and UI color of the smartphone. If you want to change the icon style, then simply select icons. From here, you can select any of these styles. You can increase or decrease the size of the icons and also increase or decrease the name of the apps. After this, click on apply. Then it will change the styles of the app in your smartphone. You can change the font from here. Here you have some downloaded fonts. You can also increase or decrease the size of the font and also the weight. So if you're giving this phone to any elderly person, then you can definitely try these features. And to change the UI color, simply select more and then select colors. Here you have some color palettes. You can also select any specific color from here. And after this, click on OK. That will change the UI color in your smartphone. You can make the clone of any application in the smartphone. Open your settings, select apps, and then select app cloner. Click on agree and continue. You can make the clone of messenger applications, and from other app, you can make the clone of these applications. Simply select the app that you want to clone and then enable it from here. Wait for a few seconds, then it will make the clone. And now you can log in with two different accounts at the same time in the same application with the help of this app cloner. This phone comes with a lot of gestures and motions. Open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select gestures and motions. The first one and the most usable one is this double tap to wake screen and double tap to turn off screen. Now whenever you are on your home screen, you don't have to press the power button to lock your smartphone. You can simply double tap on the blank area that will lock your smartphone, and if you want to wake your locked screen, then simply double tap on your locked screen. You can use this turn on or off torch with volume button. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you will long press your volume down button, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. You can also use this raise to wake motion. If you will enable this, after that, whenever your phone is on the table and you will pick it up like this, then it will turn on your locked screen. There are some screen of gestures in the gestures and motion settings. Tap on this. From here, you can draw an O to open camera, draw a V to turn torch on or off. But the most usable ones are these customizable ones. For example, I'm selecting this draw a W. Tap on this and then select open an app. From here, you can select your favorite applications. It will show you all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Select your favorite app, and then whenever your phone is locked, if you will draw that letter, then it will directly launch that specific application. So you can use this to open your favorite application from your locked screen. If you want to increase the life of your phone's battery, then open your settings, select battery, scroll down and then select battery health. From here, enable this smart charging. It will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed and then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. With the help of this feature, you can increase the life of your phone's battery and use it longer. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. Tap on this. It will turn all the white color into black color. This will decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can also schedule this dark mode as per your bed timing. And the second one is eye comfort. Select eye care and then enable this eye comfort. This will warm the color of your screen, as you can see. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. You can also adjust the intensity from here and also schedule this as per your bed timing. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can definitely use these two features to protect your eyes. If you read a lot of articles, ebooks, etc., then you can use this screen attention feature, In the same display and brightness settings, enable this screen attention. Click on agree. Now, whenever you're reading your ebooks, you don't have to keep on tapping on the display to keep it on. It will detect your eyes from the front camera and keep your display on. If you're using 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of these, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom, select system and update, select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these. If you want to select gesture, then simply select gestures. Click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this, and jump to your home screen like this. You can use circle to search feature to search anything that you have on your screen. For example, if you're using Instagram and you found some product that you want to search on the Google, then simply tap and hold the middle bottom like this. It will enable the circle to search. Then circle the object or any person that you want to search, that will directly search it on the Google for you. You can also use this feature to search anything that you have in front of you. Open your camera application, point the camera towards that object, and then enable circle to search. After that, circle the object, then it will directly search it on the Google. From your home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your notification bar and control center. Tap and hold on your home screen, select home screen settings, select swipe down on home screen, and then select notification and quick settings. Now you can simply swipe down from the blank area, then it will open your notification bar and your control center. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature for OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.